It's a matter of ancient time. There was one boy. That boy was very curious. Wherever he got to learn something new, he was ready to learn it. He learned how to make arrows from an arrow maker, learned how to make a boat from a boat maker, learned how to make a house from a house builder, and learned how to make a flute from a flute maker. In this way he became proficient in many arts, but he got ego. He tells his family and friends, "There is no one as talented as me in this whole world." Once Gautam Buddha arrived in the city. When he heard about both the art and arrogance of that boy, he thought in his mind that this boy should be taught such an art, which is greater than the arts learned till now. They went to him with a bowl of alms. The boy asked, "Who are you?" Buddha said, "I am a person who controls my body." The boy asked him to clarify his point. Then he said, "The one who knows how to shoot arrows, shoots arrows. One who knows how to sail a boat, sails a boat. One who knows how to build a house builds a house, but one who is wise rules himself." The boy asked, "How is that?" Buddha replied, "If someone praises him, so he does not become happy by being puffed up with pride, and if someone criticizes him, still he remains calm, and such a person is always full of bliss." The boy came to know that the greatest art is to control himself. Moral of the story: when self-control is achieved, equanimity comes, and it is here that equanimity keeps us happy in both favorable and unfavorable situations. I hope you like this video of mine. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share with your loving circle. Thank you very much.